Alright, the wait is officially over. We finally have our first official look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And let me tell you, this time Samsung didn't just tweak a camera or add a new color. They went bold, they went risky, they got a little controversial, but honestly, it's kind of genius. We're talking a bigger punch hole, a completely redesigned Bixby, and a world-first privacy display that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. And the best news? Prices are not going up. So yeah, grab a seat, lock the door, and let's dive into this. First thing you're going to notice is that punch hole camera. It's bigger. And let's be real for a second, from a pure design standpoint, it kind of looks like a step backward. Like you're showing up to 2026 with 2018 energy. But hold on, Samsung didn't just lose the plot. There's a very good reason for this. Samsung is upgrading the selfie camera to be wider. The field of view is jumping from 80 degrees to 85 degrees. That extra angle means you get more of your face, more of your squad, and more of that messy room you forgot to clean in the shot. And that's exactly why the punch hole had to grow. Physics basically told Samsung, hey, make some space, bro. By the way, the visuals you're seeing here are just to illustrate that difference. They're not real samples. So don't go judging your future Instagram selfies just yet. Now if you look a little closer, the bezels are slightly thinner than the S25 Ultra. The corners are more rounded, a little softer and smoother. Samsung even curved the S Pen clicker end and softened the frame edges, so the phone sits in your hand like a polished stone instead of a metal brick. It's a huge comfort upgrade. The colors spotted in the leak are silver, purple, and black. A really clean trio, classy like an old vinyl record, but fresh like a new pair of sneakers. Alright, now for the main event. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is bringing a brand new privacy display feature, and this one is actually wild. You can switch it on from your settings or hit it straight from a quick toggle. You can even set conditions so it turns on automatically. Picture this, you're looking at your phone head on, everything looks normal. But if someone tries to peek from the side, from above, or from any sneaky angle, the screen dims down hard. No more random dude on the bus reading your chats like they're free Netflix subtitles. This magic works thanks to Samsung's new Flex Magic OLED panel. And because it relies on new hardware, this feature is exclusive to the S26 Ultra. Older Ultras won't get it. The S26 and S26 Plus won't get it either. So yeah, Samsung just dropped a world first. This is the only smartphone on Earth with built-in anti-snoop tech. Introverts everywhere just felt seen. It's poetic justice for real. Moving on, let's talk about Bixby. Remember Bixby? That assistant we all kind of ignored like unread emails? Well, it's getting a major glow-up. We've got a hands-on demo of the completely redesigned Bixby UI. It has a new layout, a new chat-style interface, and honestly, it looks a lot like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Samsung is partnering with Perplexity to power its search and info retrieval, trying to finally make Bixby actually useful instead of just decorative. But let's keep it 100. Right now, Gemini and ChatGPT are miles ahead. They can upload images, analyze photos, and even view your screen. Bixby doesn't seem to be able to do any of that yet. No camera access, no screen sharing. And when you talk to it, it still sounds a bit robotic, like a tired AI that needs a coffee. Maybe Samsung will fix this before the retail launch. We hope, we pray, we stay skeptical. Here's where Samsung might win though. Bixby has deep system-level integration. You can ask it, is my battery protection turned on? And it'll answer directly from your phone's settings. Gemini can't do that. So Bixby's strength isn't being the smartest. It's being the closest to the system. Like that one friend who actually knows where everything is. And honestly, it's kind of crazy that in 2026, Bixby might actually be better than Siri. Yeah, Apple. You might want to take some notes. We also hearing rumors about other upgrades like the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos 2600 chipset. A redesigned camera island and smoother performance all around. The launch is expected on February 25th, 2026, in San Francisco, with phones arriving in stores by March. Now for the part we all care about, the money. Component costs went up this year, especially for memory. So Samsung had two choices, raise the prices or take the hit on their profit margin. According to Korean reports, Samsung chose to be nice for once. They're absorbing the cost. That means the prices are staying the same. So we're likely looking at $800 for the Galaxy S26, $1,000 for the S26 Plus, and $1,300 for the S26 Ultra.